Aming inaanyayahan ang lahat na tumayo para sa pangunang panalangin.
Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen. Diyos na pagkataas-taas, taos-puso kami nagpapasalamat sa biyaya ng edukasyon at sa pagkakataon na maging parte ng Lasallian Community. Gabayan niyo nawa kami sa aming pang-araw-araw at naway bigyan mo kami ng lakas, sipag at kaalaman. Naway panatilihin niyo kaming ligtas, malusog at malayo sa kapahamakan. Pinagdarasal namin, O Diyos, ang pagtatagumpay ng event na ito na siyang magbibigay kahalagahan sa kulturang Pilipino at magpapakalat ng kasiyahan at pagmamahal sa lahat. Sabay-sabay tayo, ipagpapatuloy ko, O Diyos, ang lahat ng aking gawain upang ikaw ay lalong pagkaibigin. San Juan Bautista de la Salle, ipanalangin mo kami. Mabuhay kay Jesus sa aming puso, magpakailanman. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Maaari na po tayong magsiupo. Mabuhay at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Inihahandog ng DLSU Green Media Group ang Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula. Bilang panimula sa isang linggong puno ng kasiyahan at kultura, samahan niyo kami dito sa pagbubukas ng exhibit at booknook dito sa Learning Commons ng De La Salle University. Bibigyang liwanag natin ang husay ng Pilipino sa larangan ng sining at literatura, pati na rin ang mga tradisyon at kultura na siyang nagbuo sa ating pagka-Pilipino. Upang ipakilala sa atin ang Omnibus, narito ang aming trainer and advisor na si Miss Sok Amon.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at sa mga nakikinig din dito sa Learning Commons. Thank you so much for being here and for joining us in this year's Omnibus. As the trainer of the De La Salle Green Media Group, gusto ko lang simulan ito sa isang tanong na maaaring tanong nyo rin, para saan nga ba ito? Bakit nga ba tayo may ganitong festival? So, simulan natin sa simula. There was a time when GMG almost faded into the background. May mga nagtanong kung active pa ba ang GMG, may ilan na akala pa nga wala na. Pero hindi nawala ang GMG. Instead, we took it as a challenge to reintroduce ourselves, to rebuild our presence within the Lasallian community. And slowly but surely, GMG gained its footing. Mas naging visible ang GMG, mas naging reliable. And our members have worked so hard to support not just each other, but also fellow student artists. Pero habang lumalakas ang loob at kumpiyansa ng GMG, may isang bagay pa kaming napansin na kulang pa rin. GMG was active, yes. But its identity, parang may parts pa na naghahanap ng boses of who we are and what we stand for as creatives. So when we were deciding kung anong magiging major production ng group, dumaan kami sa mahabang proseso ng pag-uusap, pagdududa at muling pagtatanong. What do we need and what do we want to offer? Ang sagot, we don't just need a production. GMG needs a platform to express their creativity, yes, pero higit sa lahat, to share it. At ito ang simula ng Omnibus. Omnibus na ang ibig sabihin ay para sa lahat. Last year's theme was Mise en Scène. It was all about setting the stage for what is to come. This year, it's about continuity. Pagpapatuloy, pagbibigay buhay sa mga nasimulan, at pagbalik sa pinanggalingan. Tuloy sa simula is more than just a catchphrase. It's a mindset. Layo ng Omnibus tuloy sa simula, na bigyang kulay ang ating pagka-Filipino, not just through words, but through the way we create, collaborate, and connect. Every new step we take isn't just about moving forward, but also about returning to our roots, to who we are as Filipinos, our psyche, our stories, our spirit. And this week, you'll witness a lot of beautiful works, film showcases, exhibits, and creative outputs, all coming from a place of talent, hard work, and heart na tatak Filipino. Kasunod ko ay introduce ng GMG Vice President at kasalukuyang Project Head ng Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula na si Lai Castillo ang mga programang nakalaan para sa inyo. Kaya kung nandito kayo para to support your friend, kung nandito kayo para ma-inspire, o kung gusto nyo lang na maging parte ng isang creative community, maligayang pagdating. This is your space too. Mula sa buong Omni Team, tuloy po kayo. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang malikhaing Lasalliano.
Ayan. Maraming salamat, Ms. Sok, sa pag-introduce ko ano nga ba ang Omnibus at kung gaano ito kahalaga, hindi lang para sa ating GMG, kundi na rin para sa, pati na rin yung mga maaaring mapulot ng ating mga participants sa mga darating na araw. Kasi, matapos ang ilang buwan ng paghahanda, mga isinakripisyong pagod at oras, finally, Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula is happening. Bilang pangalawang beses pa lang namin itong gagawin at ihahandog sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, hindi na kami nahiya sa paghanda ng samot-saring events na paniguradong may enjoy ninyo. Sa araw pa lang na ito, may naghanda na kaming mga pasalubong at iba pang pasabog tulad na lamang ng ating exhibit at buktok na maya-maya at bubuksan din natin. At sa ground floor naman, meron din po tayong mga palaro na sabik na, para naman dun sa mga sabik na bumalik sa mga panahon na excited tayong lumabas pa ng bahay at makilaro sa ating mga kaibigan. Sali po kayo doon at may naghahantay din po mga premyo. Ayan. Hanggang bukas na lang po actually ang mga palaro namin. So, para nga dito sa mga gustong makilaro at makisalo, daan lang po kayo sa aming booth, sa CADS, at syempre, makilaro din po kayo sa amin. Tumuloy po kayo sa aming event. Nawawala kasi yung naka-low power mode kasi ako, kaya palowbat na siya. Ayan. Isa pa po yung bagong dagdag sa Omnibus ay meron din kami ino-offer na workshops, both paid and free. So para sa mga gustong mag-explore o hasain pa ang mga kakayahan at interest natin, ay sumali din po kayo sa mga palihan na inihanda po namin. At syempre, hindi rin papalagpasin ang Omnibus na walang kasamang mga pelikula na ipapamalas namin sa inyong lahat. Dito po sa Learning Commons ay may ipapalabas po kami mga pelikulang gawa ng mga students po mismo ng De La Salle University at mga short films naman po na gawa ng mga Filipino artists and creators na siyang tunay na magpapamangha sa inyong lahat. At sa iba naman pong venue namin, sa LS315 or sa Pablo Nicolas Seminar Room, simula bukas ay makakapagpalabas naman po kami ng mga full-length films. Kaya sa mga nakikinig, sa mga nakikisalo ngayon sa event na ito, hindi pa po kayo huli para bumili ng ticket. Marami pa po kami ihahanda sa inyo. So please do support DLSU GMG and visit us on our social media accounts at DLSU Green Media Group and on IG DLSU_GMG. O siya, nag-plug na siya talaga eh. Dire-diretso na yan. At syempre, ko na rin, I will mention our official ticket site. Kabisado ko yan kasi bit.ly/omni2025. That's OMNI 2025. Ganun mag-plug. Okay. Ayan, so siguro sabik na nga tayong i-open ang Omnibus tuloy sa simula. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nakikisalo ngayon at sa mga darating pa ng mga araw. At kita-kits tayo sa event.
Pwede kami ka-chan?
Back-up dancer ka na din, di ba?
Wala na sir, ginislanan ko.
Kabuklat ni Aba, ayop ka ring sanga, bit no pakpak, matda na ing liguan, ni atom spak.
What makes a good teacher? Ang totoong guro ay modelo ng pagsisikap.
Sana lahat ng lalaki kagaya mo, no? Salamat at nakilala kita.
Wala na talaga tayo magawa, edi mag-pedicab tayo, papuntang probinsya.
Sa totoo lang, pwede naman tayo magsalita sa pagpapadyak, o. Di ba?
Pwede kami ka-chan?
Back-up dancer ka na din, di ba?
Wala na sir, ginislanan ko.
Kabuklat ni Aba, ayop ka ring sanga, bit no pakpak, matda na ing liguan, ni atom spak.
What makes a good teacher? Ang totoong guro ay modelo ng pagsisikap.
Sana lahat ng lalaki kagaya mo, no? Salamat at nakilala kita.
Wala na talaga tayo magawa, edi mag-pedicab tayo, papuntang probinsya.
Sa totoo lang, pwede naman tayo magsalita sa pagpapadyak, o. Di ba?
House music.
Maraming salamat sa aming project head, Lai Castillo. Sana excited na rin kayo sa mga ganap namin na yung linggo. May mga pelikula kaming mula bukas hanggang Thursday, kaya makinood ka na. Talagang pinaghandaan namin ito para sa mga art enthusiasts dyan. Sa pagbubukas ng aming unang ganap sa Omnibus 2025 na may temang Tuloy sa Simula, ipinakikilala namin ang aming Deputy Project Head, Albert Cabuang.
So, hi guys! First time ko pa mag-speech, so apologies for the timidness. Pero okay, so si Ate Lai and si Ms. Sok in-explain and pinomote ang ating festival. Ako naman po i-explain po natin ang ating book nook and ang art exhibit po ngayon. Ito po ang pinakaunang ganap natin sa Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula. So kung makikita niyo po sa likod, mayroon tayong art exhibits submitted by students and other fellows from within and outside the DLSU community. Makikita po natin ang iba't ibang klase ng mga artworks dito, ang traditional artwork, ang digital artwork, ang mga photographies, at pati na rin ang mga written submissions kagaya ng poetry at short stories. Sa kabilang side naman po, makikita natin ang ating book note, which is sineset up pa lang po. Within the coming days, mapupuno pa po yan ng mga libro kung saan kayo pwedeng magbasa at makichill kasama ng mga friends ninyo. And ang mga genres po natin dito ay mythologies, speculative fiction, contemporary fiction, and may mga non-fiction din sa mga gustong mag-research para sa kanilang works, kagaya ng history, Philippine psychology, at Philippine religion. Ngayon, aming ipinakikilala din ang mga manuscripts mula sa National Library of the Philippines na makikita natin sa ating art exhibit, kung saan mayroon tayong display ng 1971 copy ng Noli et Elfili, ng original copy ng Noli et Elfili mula kay Jose Rizal. So, ito ang ating mga ganap para sa art and book exhibit natin ngayon. And so, sana na-engage rin kayo guys, and let's make Omnibus happen. Tuloy sa simula! Ngayon, akin namang ipinakikilala si Sir Noe mula sa NBDB para magbigay ng isang speech mula sa National Book Development Board.
Thank you so much. Thank you for including books for this event then. And I am Mark Noeses Marquez from the National Book Development Board, and I will be reading in behalf of our Executive Director, Teresa Aquino Tagade. And on behalf of NBDB, I would like to offer a glimpse of the state of book publishing in the Philippines. So sana mas mapalawak pa to sa mga events nyo, di ba? A key player in the country's growing creative industry. In the past 5 years, the book industry has recorded a steady growth in revenue, registering an estimate of 11 billion pesos worth of sales from 2022. And then the book production has also been on the rise in the past 5 years, according to data from the National Library of the Philippines. I tell you all this not just to inform you of the progress that the book industry has made, an industry that is often overlooked or underestimated component of our creative economy, but to also help us to see the larger national level issues of low rates of readership, accessibility, and literacy as part of a bigger picture. We are producing more books now more than ever, but the problems of low readership and literary rates persist. What does this tell us? It tells us that there isn't a lack of quality Philippine authored books. We just need to be creating a market for these books and keep finding ways to ensure that they reach readers from all over the country. This is the philosophy that has informed much of the NBDB's projects in the past few years. Like you, yes, artists and dedicated advocates for the cause of art and culture, and the organizers of this event, we understand that the larger roles of culture and storytelling encompasses both self-expression and articulating social realities, both individual, artistic achievement, and nation building. Philippine art and culture is the language of its people. And through your continuous creation of film, music, literature, and other forms of art, we will continue to converse and engage with other narratives. And also, always in the authentic and diverse voice that has long defined Philippine storytelling. We are also proud to present the facsimile, nabanggit nga siya ni Albert kanina, the facsimile editions of the Noli Me Tangere and the El Filibusterismo. Makikita po natin siya doon sa exhibit, sa simula. So pwede niyo po siyang hawakan, maramdaman, mabasa kung ano ang Noli and Fili. And these historical works by Dr. Jose Rizal are displayed not only to honor our national hero, but also to give students the opportunity to know and understand the stories that help shape our identity as a people. The NBDB applauds the DLSU Green Media Group, the COW, to commit to creating spaces not just to showcase local art, but also to reinvent and challenge it. Thank you for creating this space, everyone. Thank you. Yes. Mabuhay ang sining Pilipino. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat Albert at Sir Noe. Sana naiengganyo din kayong makita ang mga gawang sining na tampok sa ating exhibit at magbasa't makirelax sa aming booknook. Bilang pagtatapos, inaanyayahan namin ang mga guests at exhibitors na lumapit sa stage para sa isang group photo op kasama ang DLSU GMG.
Mabuhay at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Inihahandog ng DLSU Green Media Group ang Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula. Sa pagpapatuloy ng mga kaganapan, ikinalulugod namin pinasasalamatan ang mga narito ngayon sa pagbubukas ng isa sa mga naturang programa ng aming events, ang film screenings. Upang tayo bigyang liwanag at punuin ng sabik ang ating mga puso, narito ang aming Deputy Project Head na si Pats Santiago upang ihayag kung ano-ano ang mga inihanda namin para sa inyong lahat. Salubungin natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the opening film screening of Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula, a celebration of stories of the past, how they converge into our present and shape our future. At the heart of our festival are the film screenings. Well, truly there are many ways to tell a story. You can express deep narratives through careful strokes of a paintbrush. You can make music to the beat of your own heart. You can even do something completely different. So now you may be wondering, why film then? Well, the reason GMG chose film was because it is a visual and auditory reminder of the resilience, traditions, and pagiging Pilipino that find itself in these beautiful narratives, which highlight bits and pieces of the Filipino experience. Storytelling itself is an art, and we wish to be able to do that in the best way possible. films like Maestra, which pays tribute to educators and the struggles that come with their profession. The Chanters, a story of how tradition is preserved and passed down across generations. Ari, My Life with a King, which reminds us of the importance of embracing the use of our language and dialects. And our closing film, Paglipay, which reminds us of how traditional blends with the modern. Each and every film reflects a story and acts as a window into the ways of the Filipino people. How Filipinos live, see things, view things, and push ourselves to our limit with a smile on our faces. The Filipino people who continue to strive. The Filipino people who will always hold our own unique array of history, arts, and culture. All these stories transcend the limits of what we thought was humanly possible. Being able to go back, live, and feel the experiences of those who came before us. So with that in mind, tumuloy tayo sa simula. Today, Omnibus Tuloy sa Simula presents to you a story of how a Filipino family finds a solution to their problems by searching for the answer within themselves and revisiting their roots. This is our opening film, Pauwi Na.
Pasalamat kami sa lahat ng dumayo sa aming closing program. At syempre, lubos naming pinasasalamatan ng team na siyang bumuo ng aming event matapos ang ilang buwan ng pagsisikap at pagsasakripisyo. Para sa aming Omni team members, para naman sa aming marketing department head, Kisha Quinones. Ang aming partnerships head, Angela Romero. Kasama ang kanyang associate, D.S. Guerra. Ang aming publicity head, Jillian Buta. Kasama ang kanyang associates, ang mga head ng graphics, Ali Alaurza, Janina Esteban, Chloe Moon, Micah Ventura, Liana Laurena, Terry Castillo, Nadine Francisco, Mona Galvez, ang mga head ng illustrations. Vanessa Ong, Ashley Duma, Eric Chua, Head of Editors, Simon Carabero, Charles Candela, Thomas Brescio, Jeff Cavillon, Matthew Cobon, Ivan Imperial, Cyril Llanas Launa. Ang aming programming head, Patty de la Cruz. Kasama ang aming associate, Talia Valdez, Daniel David, Dana Romero, Ryan Mumbai, Lemmy de Guzman, Joaquin David, Madeline Valderrama, Nikki Yang, Roxanne Pavon, Leica Garcia, Vivian Reyes, at Yana Jaime. At ang aming promotions head, Rain Malaka, kasama ang kanyang associates, Abilin Caray, Aitana Tuzon, Andrea Pineda, Beatriz Fortaleza, Charmaine Javier, Hannah Victoria, Janelle Borromeo, Christine Gonzaga, Micaela Ilagan, Napoleon Clemente, Leo Almin, Rosnel Mercado, Thea Maykada, Catherine Daya, RJ Calderon, Angel Faye Dizon, Mike Osaplo, Chloe Milena, at Alexa Formanejo. Ang Finance Department Head, Carl Capistrano, ang Sales Committee Head, John Ryan C. Kasama ang kanyang associate, Alexa Formanejo, Angel Alejo, Kisha Duque, Isabella Chuba, Nick Santil, at Ray Dixon. Ang Finance Committee Head, Princess Isabella Sila. Kasama ang kanyang associate, Ariel De Castro, Cian Laurena, Clark Sanchez, Marisla, at Naomi Salmorin. Para naman sa HR and Admin Department, ang aming Student Relations Head, Cesar Reyes. Kasama ang kanyang associate, si Kate Mangtahon. Ang aming Guest Relations Head, Adrian Villar. Kasama ang kanyang mga associates, Marco Sapiok at Pia Mercado. At ang aming Audience Relations Head, Lexi Reyes. Kasama ang kanyang mga associates, Lino Martinez at Rachel Castilla. Para naman sa aming Operations Department Head, Alicia Dubon. Ang aming Logistics Committee Heads, sina Lung Pagmitan at Julia Sison. Kasama ang kanyang mga associates, Gio Lopez, Jan Mangobdato, Lia Lazaro, Matt Ong, at Yodge Luque. Ang aming Resources Committee Heads, sina Kobe Margo at Ice Dioganisa. Kasama ang kanilang mga associates, Ayan Alius Reyes, Alisa Katmuntig, Shai Day, Chloe Dolana, Gianella Bernal, Jem de los Reyes, Kimbal Gamil, at Michael Pagkatipusan. Ang aming Manpower Committee Heads, sina Javier Paras at Carla Cadena. Kasama ang kanilang mga associates, Dominic Chen, Lawrence Cachalian, Julia Lim, Mary Ramos, at Len Poblador. Para naman sa aming Festival Consultants, ang aming Creative Consultant, si Ms. Joyce Marie Song Awa. At para naman sa aming Overall Festival Consultant, si Luis Ann Serna. Para naman sa aming Project Heads, ang aming Deputy Project Head for Marketing and Finance, Patricia Salgado. At ang aming Deputy Project Head for Operations and HR and Admin, Albert Cabua. At ang aming Festival Director and Overall Project Head, Alicia Castillo. Inaanyayahan namin magbigay ng talumpati ang ating mga Project Heads.
Hello and good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming tonight. So I am Albert Cabal, the Project Head for Operations and HR Admin. And so thank you so much for everyone who has come here tonight and to watch our final film, Pag-iipay. We are so thankful for your support and gratitude throughout the entire festival days. And I'm so thankful for all of my team, for all of our team rather, for making Omnibus happen. All of your hard work throughout the past days, our hardships and struggles, kahit na mawala pa tayo ng AAs, we persevered this year. So, thank you so much, guys! So I'd like to call on my fellow project heads, Mike Castillo and Max Salgado.
I just wanted to take this time to thank everyone, truly from the bottom of my heart, from COW to DLSU, to our sponsors, of course. To the members' families, thank you all so much for your invaluable support and guidance. This week was truly a week of art and culture and an amazing week of just learning, And above all, I would like to thank the members of GMG. This year's Omnibus would not have been made possible if it were not for you guys. All the sweat, tears, sleepless nights, everyone gave a piece of their time, effort, and patience, and for that I am so grateful to all of you, because if it were not for you guys, then there would be no Omnibus. So to me, Omnibus isn't just an event or a production, but the members too. You all make up Omnibus. You are Omnibus. Yeah! So yeah, please congratulations for this successful event. Thank you so much.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumulong para to make Omnibus happen. Thank you so much guys. Nangyari na nga, Omnibus is officially ours. And so papasalamat ako sa lahat ng tumulong, especially yung mga naging active during this festival week. Alam mo, sobrang pagod tayong lahat, and I promise you guys, pag nagpahinga kayo, will feel so relaxed, at parang sana maramdaman nyo na nagsaya kayo lahat sa event na ito. Kasi yun naman talaga ang purpose ng Omnibus, para magsaya, para magpakalat ng kulturang Pilipino, pati syempre para sa ating Pilipino lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumulong, at syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan pagbigyan pansin lahat ng mga members na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for staying here today. Alam mo, holiday tomorrow. You guys deserve that best tomorrow. And yeah, with that, we would want to recognize everyone here, especially to our GMG members. So if we call your membership status, please do stand and come here in front with us to have your bow for this Omnibus 2025 Tuloy sa Simula. Okay, so Albert, let's do the curtain call.
Alright, so let's start with the production heads, with the production managers rather. So let's call all RPMs. Please come up on front. Thank you so much, everyone. And we'd like to thank our production manager, Pulhead, Kyla Quebrar. And of course, her deputy production manager head, si Belle Strua. So she's not here right now, but she's with us in spirit. Alright, so next pool naman, we'll call on the SMs, the stage managers. And thank you so much. And we'd like to thank our SM pool head, Kobe Bargo. Along with his deputy SM manager, Jem de Los Angeles. Alright, let's move on now to my pool, Tech Ops. Let's go,
Thank you so much to all of our technical operators and help us to make this event possible. Now, calling on to the hosting pool. Please
Guys, may say animal, you say last song, animal!
Thank you so much for the hosting pool. We'd like to, of course, thank our hosting pool head, Javier Paras. Along with his deputy pool head, Nikki Yap. And now I pass on the floor to Pat Salgado for the marketing department.
Okay, so first we would like to call on the graphics pool. I'd like to thank the graphics school head, Jill Lupa, and the graphics assistant school head, Next, we would like to call on the social media manager's pool. We would like to thank, earlier I wasn't able to mention, the graphics deputy head, Nessa, and the social media manager school head, Hannah Victoria, the social media manager assistant school head, Ina Antonio, and the deputy, Chloe Melanie. So next pool we would like to call on is the scriptwriters pool. So we would like to thank the scriptwriters pool head, Yana Hyman, the scriptwriters assistant pool head, Vivian Reyes, and the scriptwriters deputy pool head, Chloe Milena. Earlier, the social media manager's deputy was Thea Markay. Next pool we would like to call on is the coverage pool.
Sino magpipicture?
Angelo Marinumero. Angelo Marinumero.
Bisok na, bisok na.
Thank you so much, Editing Pool. And we would like to thank our editor's pool head, Pat Salgado. Along with her assistant pool head, Simon Carabeo, and editor deputy head, Ivan Imperial. And now I pass on the floor to Alexa Castillo for the next segment of our program.
This part of our program would like to eventually we will recognize all of our executive board. So please come to the front and please take your bow. Elvis Benjamin Peter. Our finest department head, Carl Capistrano. Our operations department's head, Alitea de Borja. And of course, our president, L.A. Serna. This is our head of marketing, Isha Quiñones. Hanap ako sa likod. I am Alay Castillo, the vice president. Para sa pagtatapos ng aming programa, iniimbitahan namin sa harap ang aming president na si Luis Alferda. Nasusunod na naman ang aming trainer na si Miss Joyce Marisco Acon para magbigay ng pagkakaroon sa talumpay.
So, hi, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for taking the time to attend our film festival and now our cross-media festival, Omnibus. So I am here to do a speech for the closing of Omnibus 2025. So friends, guests, fellow members, and to the family I have supporting me here today, I am honored to be standing before you tonight as your president for one of the last times. As I was constructing my thoughts and sifting through my memories for the right way to describe my time as a member of the DLSU Green Media Group, I came to the realization that my time with you here was one of the most joyous and unexpected occurrence. I ran the probabilities. There was a large chance that I would go about my college life doing something completely different. In fact, what I wanted to do was far too different. I was always intrigued by the performing arts, more specifically, theater. Yes, I know, it's probably not what you were expecting. I mean, most of my career here in GMG has been defined by the productions that I have overseen before. But when a dear friend of mine had tapped me to consider joining GMG, she captured my interest by telling me that I might have the opportunity to act. Despite the fact that I have done nothing of that sort, I still find myself thinking the way of the universe. Because out of all the possibilities, this is where I am. And I am in awe with the path that has unfolded for me. From barely being a trainee to being a member for only a week before taking my officership exam, to be the next head of operations, and now the president. My journey with you has not been easy, but oh, it was so fulfilling. As I bring an end to Omnibus 2025, Tuloy sa Simula, I am reminded that this is one of my legacies. But more than the successful productions, the general assemblies, the new systems set in place for the future generations of the DLSU Green Media Group, I am reminded that my legacy is you. This is a tribute to Omnibus and a tribute to my members. The primary imagery for Omnibus this year depicts prisms, rainbows, gems, and bright, vibrant colors. The way I see it, this symbolism perfectly represents the personalities and abilities of each and every one of the members, all of which are so multifaceted, fascinating people, and unbelievable amounts of potential. Bright, lively people who are always happy to take places behind the curtains and bring life to their work. And as for Omnibus, I believe that this production was the product of their capabilities. And in the same way, the success of this year's Omnibus is a visible manifestation of their effort, their tireless working nights, and their sometimes day-long meetings, and their constant collaboration. And as I mentioned earlier, these people, you guys, are my legacy. As I will soon be passing the torch on to them as I graduate in 2 weeks, I would like to remind them that, like myself, they are meant to be here. You guys are meant to be here. No role is too small, not when you are a part of a web that is as intricate as your own. And no one, of course, is left unseen. Each and every one of you is important. So congratulations to you, GMG. As Omnibus comes to a close, let us continue to embody the values that we have set in stone, finally. And let us continue to make things happen. Thank you.
Si Joyce Marie. Si Joyce Marie.
Magandang gabi po sa ating mga guests. Hello po. Ha? Thank you. Hindi po ako orgmate. Ako po ay advisor, trainer and advisor. Para po sa mga parents, guardians, sa ating mga members, maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak sa amin. And also for allowing your children to enjoy GMG. Nakikita nyo na po yung ginagawa nila dito. So, as we bring Omnibus tuloy sa simula to close, I invite you to take one last look, not just at the screens or the stage, but at the people around. Tingnan lang. The creators, the collaborators, the leaders, the dreamers, the ones who made all of this happen. This isn't just the end of the program. It's the culmination of weeks, even months of late nights, back-to-back meetings, coffee-fueled runs, leg mishaps turned triumphs, and conversations that turned into content. It's a celebration of the students who dared to lead with vision, to work with heart, and to build something bigger than themselves. Uy, makinig kayo, para sa inyo to. Uy, makinig kayo, para sa inyo to. Omnibus is more than just a showcase. It's a testament to student leadership. To those who led not by title, but by initiative. To those who took responsibility, who listened, who adapted, who stood their ground when it mattered. Leadership was not just found in the ones giving directions. It was in every teammate who showed up, who delivered, who kept going even when it got hard. And trust me, it did get hard. And yet, here we are.
Because of them. Because of you. The De La Salle Green Media Group, this generation's creative frontlines, has proven once again what it means to lead with creativity, work with integrity, and collaborate with purpose. Every frame, every cue, every caption, and cut in this year's festival was built on trust, passion, and grit. If you've ever wondered what potential looks like, you just witnessed it. Behind every success of Omnibus is a student who chose to step up, take the risk, and do the work. And while this marks the end of the program, it's not just the end of the journey. Because just like our theme says, tuloy sa simula, every ending is a chance to begin again. Stronger, wiser, more inspired. To the Omni team, the creatives, the leaders of Omnibus 2025, malaking congrats! Maraming salamat at walang kwento. See you at the next beginning.
Please call all of the TMG members to please come in front for a massive photo op.
Yes! Let's move this. Baka pwedeng i-join na din natin para makasama sa Go, GMG!
Lahat ng trainees, rookies, trainees members.